Yeah, as bad as I wanted to not pick up my camera today, I said, nah, girl, you on a mission. Like, what are you doing? Like, you got no excuses. You have no distractions. So what are you doing? Like, what are you doing? But today I just really want to talk about how easy it is. Like I just said, how easy it is to give up on yourself, but how impactful it will be when you don't give up on yourself. A lot of us can do a lot of waiting, a lot of, okay, I'm gonna do that tomorrow, or I'm gonna do that next month, I'm gonna do that next week. But what about the now? What about the stuff that you can do now that can change your tomorrow? Like, it's a lot of things that we could be doing now, should be doing now, that should be changing now tomorrow. Look, God got the sun shining on me because he knew I wanted to be in that bed, watching YouTube videos, motivation videos, and not reacting on the motivation that I was getting. So I just had to do this. I had to come out here, talk to you guys, and like spread some motivation. Let y'all know that anytime we feel like this dog is bothering me, y'all, like really bothering me. Ooh, let me get up. Anytime y'all feel like the stuff that you're doing or wanting to do need to be on hold, remind yourself on why you need to be doing it at that given moment. Like, stop saying, oh, okay, I'm gonna do that tomorrow. It can wait till tomorrow. Cause sometimes things that we need to get out today or say today can be impactful and motivational for somebody. Somebody needs to know and be inspired by the reason of why you done got up and did what you needed to do so they can do the same thing. So this message is for anybody out there that's concentrating on getting up, doing what they need to get done, whether it's a video, whether it's going to the gym, whether it's whatever. I hate bugs, y'all. Whatever it is that you know that you need to be doing right here at this given moment, instead of saying, oh, I'm gonna wait till another day to do it. And we do that a lot. So we got to get out of that habit. I don't know why my thing look blurry, but yeah, we got to get out of that habit of I always want to wait on the perfect moment, wait on the perfect timing. Like, we can't wait. I should have stepped right here to begin with, but yeah, a lot of us are waiting on the perfect timing to just get started. When let this be your reason to get started, because this was my reason. Me reminding myself that I told myself that starting June 1st that I was going to lock in and go, just full throttle with my content, go full throttle with saving money, go full throttle with whatever it is that's going to make me become a better me within the 90 days that I want to stay straight focused. I'm going to do that. I can see a lot of things happening for me and in the midst of those 90 days. So yeah, if you're watching this, I hope that this video is motivating you and inspiring you to just get up, even when you don't know what to talk about or do for a video. Just get up, just like I did. I didn't know exactly where I wanted to go or how I wanted to navigate this video, but I got up, picked my camera up, attached my mic, attached my tripod, and came outside and started talking to you guys. Cause at the end of the day, if I don't do it, I won't know what will happen if I don't do it. So quit waiting and quit planning all the time. Quit waiting and quit trying to plan out everything all the time and just do it. Sometimes, even when you don't know how to start or when to start, just starting can be the start for you. So I really hope that someone other than myself taking in this message, because not only do I need this message, someone else out there want to start a YouTube or done started a YouTube and probably done gave up because of the views or whatnot needs to hear this. I mean, I went from getting millions of views on videos on this very channel, to bringing in, like, it have its ups and downs, but I know my reason of that. So my why for that is to continue to post, continue to be consistent, continue to just do what I gotta do to progress, to grow. So Whoever watching this, just know that you can do whatever you put your mind to. Don't always focus on the planning of it. Just start. And you got this. I see you on the flip side. Oh, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, because your girl will be back with more raw videos. See you.